Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to do a quick unboxing of something that I bought recently, and it's kind of like a big deal to me. I've been wanting this for quite some time and I just couldn't fathom paying the money for it at the time, but after a while I realized, it's something I'm going to keep forever and I'm just going to love it. I hit up Evasive Motorsports. They're pretty known for stocking and having parts for most makes and models in today's industry, especially those that compete in competition and racing and all that stuff. So checked out their website. They had what I wanted in stock and I just pulled the trigger and bought it. So I want to go and have this intimate video with you guys and show you the unboxing of this part. It's going to be really interesting, really fun. I'm excited, very excited to see how it's going to look like, quality, fitment, all that stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look. Pretty large box. Evasive Motorsports. See right there. Probably one of the most legit things I've bought in quite a while. And you know how it is with the S2000. I try to buy everything legit now. Trying to promote authenticity. Could save a little bit of money, but honestly, at the end of the day, I don't want to go ahead and fight against fitment issues. I didn't want to go ahead and tell people it's replica. I didn't want to go just fake the funk. And I'm not saying go ahead and buy fake parts or buy real parts. Buy whatever you want. I just really wanted this bumper for the longest time, so finally got it here. As you can see, Amuse Legalo S2000. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Alright guys, so here it is, the Amuse Legalo bumper, how it comes packaged. I took out a box just earlier because I guess it keeps it from getting flattened and getting damaged. Did a pretty good job keeping the foam in there. Again, this is just how it comes. I want to make sure everything looks good before I pull it out. Very nice. So let's go ahead and pull it out. So here's the bumper, guys. Looking really nice. As you can see, this is the Amuse Legalo. At least I think that's how it's pronounced, but it looks very similar to the version 1. The only difference is the little splitter right here that sticks out. I had the Amuse version 1 replica that you guys know of, and you can watch a video of me putting that on the car. It's a little bit sleeker, a little more, less toned, less aggressive for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this thing open because I want to show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, the big troublesome part about buying bumpers is the corners. I always want to make sure those things are well done in terms of getting protected. As you can see, they definitely took the time to wrap that. So let's see if I can do this without putting the camera down. Yeah, that looks pretty good, guys. The other side kind of fell off, but from what I see, it looks pretty good. So go ahead and wrap this, or unwrap this plastic off of it, and see the rest of it. Wow. So it has a little bit of an AP2 look to it. Got some APR styling. I guess that's what the company went for, is just a cleaner, sleeker version of the AP2. But that splitter really sticks out a lot. and I like it a lot. Let's go wrap around. Fiberglass on the inside. Got the mesh. Probably end up painting that black, but I'm not gonna drop it off at the body shop. Just gonna keep it here. Take all that off because I'm not sure how I want this to sit, because you can tell it's not really, it's all the way there, but it's not all the way here. So somewhere here you're gonna have to cut the chicken wire. Also, be nice to align it straight so it's not, you know. Anyway, let's put this somewhere safe. Yeah, here's the inside of the Amuse bumper. I don't see any markings, so I'm pretty sure that's how Amuse wanted it. No special badges or anything like that, unfortunately. Some of the bottom, it's just very clean. Got some OEM holes there. Really excited, really excited to get this on the car. As you can see, I have the OEM bumper right now, but I can't imagine how this is gonna look. Guess I'm somewhat crazy spending that kind of money on a, you know, legit Amuse bumper, but just take it all in. It's definitely worth it. Gotta support the original company. Definitely a big, huge shout out to Evasive Motorsports. They had this one in stock. They also have the Amuse version 1 in stock, but I always wanted the Legalo. Eventually, maybe go with the fenders to pair it up and match, but that's another dark hole that I don't want to get into right now. But I'm very happy with it. Build seems pretty good. Fiberglass a little thin right here, so maybe when I get it mounted onto the car, I'm gonna have to run some type of, maybe some plastic rubber washers on there just to be safe. It's bound to have issues or accidents or whatever, or damage. It's fiberglass. This side's a lot thicker than that side. You see it's a little bit thinner right there, but it's all good. Anyway, gotta get this into the car and we're gonna drop it off at the shop, and I'll do a follow-up video on install like I always do for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. It's a beautiful thing right now.